How to install APK files on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial we will learn how we can install APK files on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So before that, we have to enable APK installation. In some of the modern Android devices, they might block the APK installations from the unknown source by default. So first of all, we have to enable that. Now go to your settings in your device. Here, tap on apps, scroll down a bit, and then tap on special app access. And now look for install unknown apps. Then you have to choose the source. So you have to select the application that might be Chrome or File Manager from which you want to download the APK. Tap on it, and then you have to turn on this toggle that says allow from this source. Now once you have allowed this, you can go back and then you have to download the APK from a trusted source such as the official website of the app or the reputable APK repositories like APK Mirror or APK Pure. Here, try to avoid downloading APK from the unverified websites to reduce the risk of malware. So once you have downloaded the APK file, now you have to open up your file manager application in order to locate the APK file. So if you have recently downloaded the APK file, you will find your APK in the downloads folder. Now you have to tap on the APK file to start the installation. Now you have to review the permissions requested by the application. So go to the settings, and here you have to turn on this toggle and then tap on install. Wait for the installation to complete. After that, you can open up the application to ensure its functions as expected. For added security, you can use Antivirus app to scan the APK file before installation. Now once you have successfully installed the APK file in your device, now for the enhanced security, at last disable the APK installation from unknown sources. So again, go to the settings, scroll down and tap on apps, scroll down a bit, tap on special app access, and go to install unknown apps. Go to Chrome, and from here you can turn off the toggle for the app that you have enabled earlier. So in this way you can install APK file in Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.